Now, El Rehabo, I don't know if you know this, but Tito is also a Spanish teacher, so you can speak Spanish.
Yeah.
He'll
Well, I know.
understand you.
I'm the rehab, and I'm coming to get you.
How
What happened?
Come to my school.
You're always talking
Yeah.
Spanish to the
Yeah.
guy out back. How can
I just said, because I translated.
Okay. No. Tito's right here. Say something to him in Spanish.
Hola, amigo, ¿qué pasó?
What the hell?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Oh, ¿cómo estás? Sí.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
Alright, man.
Now, you got a little bit of space there, Tito. You're the flying burrito. Show basically how that move was done on Dave's head.
Yeah. Well, what I used to do, I used to hit the ropes, if you remember,
Yeah.
and then I'd go airborne, and with the forearm right
So
here,
where would it be?
I'd catch it
Right.
right.
Come on, give me
A little bit more force.
Lay him out. Lay him Oh, that shook my brain!
That was great.
That's why I told you, it's El Jabronio.
Woo! Yeah!
Now,
Do this all day!
I think you're going to be known as El Jabronio.
Whatever, man, I don't care.
Ryan was talking about taking you to Pity City.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, explain this one, because this would be kind of like, it would stun the opponent.
This was actually made up. I helped us. Roddy Piper was one that helped to kind of make this up for us when we were, riding down the highways, drinking beer. And Adrian Adonis, who also was kind of in on, well, you guys are nasty. What are you going to do nasty?
Got to do something nasty.
Yeah, so that was something we came up with, and Piper was, one that helped us out with it, and so was Adrian Adonis. Both of them not here no more.
Yeah.
Mine's real simple. I usually don't take a shower and side grabs the opponent from behind
Right.
with an arm bar.
Okay.
And I'm like this, and we just take your face. Like that. Stay open.
Sit still, Dave.
Shot, brother.
Let's go! Let's go, baby!
That is so
Let's go, baby! Yeah! I love it!
Jabronio.
Thank you! Thank you, Tito! Thank you, sir!
Guys, I can't
Ryan,
thank you so
thank
much.
you! That was awesome!
You've just been to Nastyville, brother.
Yeah! Woo!
You can, if you want.